Yeah, whoa, she's going. Oh, just bursting the door. Gotta go, mate. I had to show you this morning yard. The old brain kicked in again. I'm trying to get the bloody little ATV up to a height where it's good to work on. And the stands I made for the Meerkat fit perfect. I grabbed another jack stand and now I've got the bugger way off the ground. Have a look at that. Easy for old farts to work on, and my battery's turned up. How cool's that? Okay, starting to have a muck around with the batteries, and 3 12-volt batteries fit in there perfect in the old crate. But can you run a 48-volt quad bike on 36 volts? I know it's going to drop down in speed, but is it going to damage the motor running it on less voltage? And watch the next video where I show you where I actually can fit the 4 batteries in. Okay, so if I can fit 3 batteries in, they'll fit straight in there. I've got some block of wood under there at the moment to hold these ones up, so I'm going to show you. I can put 3 in and it'll fit in the case, but if I get rid of the angle, move that one back, and then I can spin this one around, I can put the whole 4 batteries in. So all I've got to do is just cut that bit of angle at the back and fold it down so I can sit down in the tray, and it will fit from the top to the bottom, and there's nothing that it's going to hit on up the top. So the big question is, can I run it on 36 volts? So I found this one on the net, the wiring to do 48 volts. I decided, because I don't have these tack-on things, I've actually got bolt-on ones, and I've replaced the cheap shit nut and bolt with stainless steel ones, and I've got the caps. Put caps over the top. I don't like exposed wires. I've got inline fuse I'm going to put in. I've got 15, 20 and 25 amp fuses. I've made all these up today, and I've put a negative and a positive side on them, a little bit better than what was happening there, so you can actually see what's happening. I've got the 2 long ones to go up to this little power thing. And yeah, I'm just about there, so they're all cut, ready to go. I've just got to solder them all on and then start putting it all together, and then put it in the quad bike, and then work out the lengths I need for these 2 long ones and put this inline fuse in. So a little bit done today.